Hey gang, welcome to the channel. My name is Andy. Yeah, okay, I know, it's been a minute. We've been in lockdown here in Melbourne, which has meant that I haven't been able to get my hands on cars to drive. I can only travel within 5Ks from my house, so I can't even do many drives, and I certainly can't make driving videos. But today, I'm doing what I hope is going to be a simple modification, and it's one that a lot of 964 owners do, so I wanted to bring you guys along. Now, before we get stuck into it, if you don't want to miss any of the Porsche content I'm dropping, then hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button. I'm dropping videos every once in a while, so you know, you don't want to miss them when they do come. Okay, like so many people in the Porsche community, I'm a big fan of the Ruf brand. I love their whole philosophy. I love their cars. The footage of Stefan Rosa drifting around the Nürburgring in Fascination is to this day one of the most incredible pieces of driving you're ever likely to see. In fact, if you haven't seen it, check it out on YouTube. So today, I'm fitting a Ruf front splitter to my 964. It's a pretty subtle mod. It just adds a little subtle aggressive bit of extra aero under the car. Am I going to feel the difference? I doubt it, but it's going to look really cool, and I wanted you guys to check it out. I have to say that dealing with Ruf in Germany, they've been fantastic. Great guys to deal with, and it looks like a quality product. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, I have to say a big thanks to the team at Ruf. They've given me this great little show bag of goodies. I got the latest magazine, brochure on the SCR, some Ruf water, which if you drink makes you go quicker, a great Ruf t-shirt with the crest on the front of it, a DVD on the history of the brand, and these Ruf mints, which I guess if I have those, I'll have great breath and I'll be able to drift around the Nürburgring, so everybody wins. Alright, let's pull out the spoiler itself, shall we? There's something about fresh black plastic. Don't know what it is. That's how you know it's the real deal. Okay, so the spoiler comes with these this little bag of longer screws. Unless I'm very much mistaken, from what I can see, it looks as though I literally just fit the lip under the existing front lip, use these longer screws to secure it, and we're done. I think that's right. Okay, so I'm actually going to start by attaching the lip in under the wheel well on one side of the car. I've jacked it up. There are two self-tappers that'll go in there, and we'll start with that. It's really important to ensure that you do it in the right order. I started at the back with the 4 self-tapping screws, so you do 2 on each side. You then need to pull the rest of the lip over the existing plastic valance, and then insert the 6 remaining screws. Okay, and just like that, we're done. It wasn't hard to do, it was just a little bit hard to figure out how to do. I had to do some research on Rennlist and Pelican to really work out what screws went where. Would have been great if there was some instructions for that, but hopefully I've shown you how to do that, so at least if you're fitting a Ruf spoiler to your car, you can have it sorted. Anyway guys, thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, hit the notifications, all that stuff. I'm gonna go for a drive, get some beauty shots. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one. Ruf. I wonder if this will make me drive like Stefan Rosa.